Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Farid Alfitri. I want to explain about application called HelloTalk. Okay, let's start the first material. And the first is definition of HelloTalk. HelloTalk is a language change application that connects users to practice and improve their language skill by communicating with native speakers. It's a social network for language learners, offering features like voice call, live chat, and message editing to facilitate real-time conversation and feedback. And the next is HelloTalk review. Without a doubt, immersing yourself in foreign language is the best thing anybody could ever do for their language learning. It can be hard to find immersion in a foreign language though, especially when you don't have the time, money, or flexibility to go abroad. Fortunately, there are workarounds like the HelloTalk application. HelloTalk application basically an application built specifically to foster texting combining with language change. This makes HelloTalk a great option for serious language learners who want to immersion but just can't have it. Okay, the next is talks. Now that you have interacted with some users on the timeline, maybe you want to message them directly. You can do that on the first page called Talk on Android or HelloTalk on iOS. The Talk page contains all direct message you have with other source users. This works just the same as messaging in other social networks or through an application like Line or WhatsApp. HelloTalk also supports voice calling and group chat, and I have seen users make posts in the moment about doing language exchange while collectively playing a game like Minecraft or group study session. Next is Moment. Moment is the first button take you to the messaging page. But first, let's talk one the best ways to find people to chat with. The second page, moments are HelloTalk name for posts similar to about any other social network. You can make moment with a combination of photo, video, and text. HelloTalk also support the ability to make audio post, which is especially helpful to get corrections or your pronunciation. You can also assign in location topic to a moment. Topics are like pre-sorted hashtag with a wide variety of them that users can search for. For example, there are broadening categories such as lifestyle, foodie, travel, help me, even and learning a number of more specific topics underneath those largest umbrellas. And next one is search. Alright, search is you will generally find your actual language changes. In this step, you search through all of HelloTalk members that speak the language you are learning and are learning the language you speak. They are originated by how recently they have been only so you can find more active members. By the way, if you start conversation and the just don't have open the application again, you lose all of your past conversation. The next is learn. In the learning tab, you will find 3 different means to improve your Japanese. Unlike the rest of the application, this section content is made by HelloTalks team rather than relying on the users practice together. HelloTalk also has a number of different languages you can take lesson in beyond just English and Japanese, such as Korean, Spanish, Chinese, French, and more. And the 3 learning options available are Hello World, a game based around learning vocabulary Hello Japanese, and an instructional podcast series similar to Japanese Pod 1-on-1 online classes with Japanese teachers similar to italki. However, each section requires its own subscription beyond just the trial season, which makes all these learning options very pricey, especially if you want to use all 3. Okay, the next is HelloTalks headline features. It's simple but effectively one I've done languages exchange this with people on variety different platforms such as Line, Twitter, Skype, and more. And there's really nothing more effective for offering direct notes like this, aside from the very similar features available on Google Drive. Of course, this sort of correctly is a far from comprehensive study approach, but if I have found this sort direct feedback to be extremely helpful. This is especially true Japanese, which has so many shifts and different from of the language, from old fashioned to modern. Certain words or phrases that are used almost exclusively in either written or spoken Japanese, varying level of politeness, regional dialects, and many others similar consideration. Have been times where I have tried to use a word or grammar structure that seem normal to me in a dictionary or textbooks, only to have a native speaker correct me to say it's grammatically correct but not used in the way or old-fashioned or something similar. The last is conclusion. Overall, HelloTalks offering something rather uniquely in the language learner space. It features a vibrant community of mostly like-minded language learners with whom you can both learn from and improve. I'm very thankful for friends I've met on the application, all positive interaction I have had, and what people have to me about it really is a case of your age may vary. I found HelloTalk to be really rewarding, the social network to be part of, and always look forward sharing my experience with others and improving together. But that not to say HelloTalk is not without its words. I can say first hand there's a great experience to be had on HelloTalk, but your own enthusiasm can only bring you halfway. Okay, thank you for attention. Thank you for all explain about HelloTalk application, and I hope a benefit for everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.